Hi, hello everyone. I'm here once again with a very interesting topic, that is motion for class 9. Class 9 we have read motion. I think we have added something with that. Motion, that means we can say that having movements. Yes, that means gati. इसमें परिवर्तन लाना. That means moving from one place to another place. That is the motion only. In which one topic is there, that is displacement. Displacement is there. I have discussed that one also. Displacement. First thing is that displacement is a word which comes from combined word which is made from dish and place and man. Displacement. That means from one place to displace somewhere. इससे कहीं पे था चीज़ है, now it has been displaced. That is called displacement. In displacement, very interesting topic. That means when something changes from its own place to another place, that is called displacement. But sometimes that displacement can be no change. The distance can be traveled by the things, but the object, it will remain on its own position. Now, I want to make you understand that many students get confused in that, sir, whether displacement can be zero also. Yes, displacement can be zero also. For example, I am giving you a live example, one of me. Like, I have two cities, that is city A and that is city B. The distance between both the cities is 10 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 10 kilometer. From here it is considered 0, 10 kilometer, 20 kilometer, 30 kilometer. Now, if I am moving from here, that is from city A, and I reach to the city B, so distance traveled by me. For example, here somebody is there, यहाँ पे कोई बंदा है, he travel distance and reached the city B. वो city B तक पहुँच गया. Now he travel the distance how much? The distance traveled by him is 30 km per hour. Not 30 km per hour, 30 km only. He travel how much distance? 30 km per 30 km per 30 km. Now that 30 km is he has traveled. Now that travel distance is only displacement, because from initial point he is now 30 km. Right now he is displacement, magnitude of displacement of his is 30 km. अभी उसका magnitude of displacement जो है वो 30 km है. Now what happened? He just start moving from city B and came to here. वो यहाँ से आ गया वापस यहाँ. Now imagine, not imagine, now think practically that he traveled the distance how much? So at first he traveled 10 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 10 kilometer. That means 30 kilometer. And once again he came back 10 kilometer. That means 30 kilometer plus 10 kilometer. That means he traveled 40 kilometer. But displacement is what? Displacement is only about from initial point to the end point. Right from here, अभी वो व्यक्ति यहाँ पे है. So displacement how much? Displacement is, just measure the distance 10 and 10, 20 kilometer. So magnitude of displacement, it is what about it? It is 20 kilometer. यहाँ पे magnitude of displacement क्या हो गया? 20 kilometer हो गया. Now when he will come back to the initial point, अब सर वो ना वापस सिटी B से आगे यहीं पे अपना घर पे सिटी A में. That means he travel the distance. उसने distance travel किया. How much? While going 30 kilometer and while coming 30 kilometer. He travel how much? 30 kilometer while going and plus 30 kilometer while coming back. Total distance traveled by him is 60 kilometer. But magnitude of displacement, he reached the initial point. Magnitude of displacement, it will be 0 kilometer only, because from where he has started he reached to the same point only. That means his place has not been changed. He reached on its initial point. So displacement has not taken here place. Now displacement, it will be considered 0. Now question is that can displacement be 0? Of course, here only it can be 0. Now can displacement can be more than the distance traveled by the object? Of course not, never. क्या डिस्टेंस जो है जो ट्रेवल किया गया है उससे ज्यादा मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगा? कभी नहीं होगा. नो ऑप्शन. वेदर कैन बी लेस देन दैट. डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैन बी जीरो और लेस देन द डिस्टेंस. जीरो और लेस देन द जीरो कैन बी देयर और लेस देन द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल बाय. डिस्टेंस इतना ट्रेवल किया उससे लेस होएगा. और इक्वल टू ऑफ डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल बाय द ऑब्जेक्ट, या तो ऑब्जेक्ट कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया है उसके बराबर हो सकता है, उससे कम हो सकता है, और कैन बी जीरो ऑल्सो. There are many questions of that. I will solve that all in the next class. Thank you.